In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Let's Encrypt free SSL on Namecheap shared hosting, step by step, so you can secure your website quickly and correctly. If you've just purchased hosting and want to turn on HTTPS without paying extra, this guide is for you. We'll walk through the full process inside your Namecheap account and cPanel, and I'll also show you what to look for so you know the certificate has been installed successfully. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the hosting list section. This is where all of your hosting plans are displayed, so if you have more than one product, make sure you select the correct one. After that, find your shared hosting plan. Namecheap separates different hosting types, so you want to be sure you're working with the shared hosting package that is connected to your domain. Next, click Go to cPanel. This will open your hosting control panel, where most of the website settings and security options are managed. Before you continue, make sure your domain is correctly pointed to your Namecheap hosting. This is an important step, because if the domain is not connected properly, the SSL installation may not work the way it should. If the DNS is still updating, you may need to wait a little while before the certificate can be issued. Once you're in cPanel, scroll down until you find the section labeled Exclusive for Namecheap customers. Inside that section, click Namecheap SSL. This is the area where Namecheap provides the SSL setup tools for eligible hosting accounts. If prompted, sign in again. That extra login step is normal, so just confirm your account details and continue. After that, open the Installed via Namecheap SSL tab. This tab is where you'll be able to see the SSL installation progress and the status of your certificate. Now, wait for the SSL certificate to appear. Depending on the domain and server setup, it may take a little time before everything is listed. Once it shows up, check the certificate status carefully. You're looking for the status to change to active. When you see active, that means the SSL certificate has been installed successfully, and your website is now set up to use secure HTTPS traffic. Keep in mind that the installation can take up to 30 minutes to complete, so if you don't see it right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and refresh the page later if needed. After the certificate is active, you may also want to test your website in a browser to make sure the secure padlock appears next to your domain. That's a good final confirmation that everything is working properly. And that's it, you've successfully installed Let's Encrypt free SSL on Namecheap shared hosting. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Namecheap or WordPress setup guides in the future.